In your next Zoom meeting, how do you go from your real face to a real life avatar just like this guy? I'm going to show you next. December 27th, Zoom released 5.13.3 version of their client. I was not working then, so I'm just now catching up with what's coming out. But a cool thing I saw is human avatars. So let's take a look at how to enable that and use it in your next Zoom meeting. So I've actually already started a meeting inside of Zoom, and you can do this two different ways. The first way is to do it just literally from your start video or stop video button on the left-hand side of your meeting. Go to the up caret, and you're gonna see choose my virtual background, and this is where your avatar setting is done. You can also go to settings in your client and get to the exact same page. Now once the virtual background is chosen, you're gonna see avatars that's in beta is on the right side. I've already designed an avatar, and this is my guy right here, but you can click on a plus sign and design your own avatar. And what this does is now it takes you to a different screen where you can design the facial expressions and stuff next. So once clicking avatars, you're gonna see a couple of choices. You can choose the already default ones of the animals, but now you can design your own human avatar. Hit the plus button to design your own, or edit one you've already done. I'm gonna edit one real quick. So to edit an avatar, just hover over it, go to the ellipsis, and hit edit. Then you can see the typical choices you have when you're designing your own avatar. Skin tone, face structure, hair color, eyes, even eyelash color. This is the one I designed. I know it doesn't look exactly like me, but it's about as close as I can get right now. So now that you've designed your avatar and chosen it, all you have to do is start your camera and it'll display your avatar. So in your meeting, on the bottom left-hand side where it says Start Camera, hit Start Camera. It'll pop up the avatar that you designed in the previous setting. Now you can use this avatar during your meeting. If you want to turn your camera back on and turn your avatar off, just hit the up caret right here and it'll turn your avatar off, going back to your regular camera. And that's it. Enjoy. Design some really cool stuff and share them with me. Really curious to what you guys come up with. If you want to see more cool videos of Zoom, follow me on YouTube where I have my own channel called Tattooed Nerd, where I really go into depth with much longer videos and much more detail of all the cool stuff you can do in Zoom. I am a full-time employee of Zoom. I'm not a spokesman or a figurehead for Zoom. I just like to talk about cool technology, and a lot of times that has to deal with Zoom. Have a great day.